Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Thimble for coverage authorization and documentation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To get started with Thimble for coverage authorization and documentation, begin by visiting the Thimble website. Once there, locate the sign in option at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on sign in and enter your registered email and password. If you do not have an account yet, select the sign up option to create a new account. Fill out the required information in the sign-up form, including your name, email, and password. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email and clicking the provided link. After signing in, navigate to the dashboard where you can see your account details. Look for the Coverage tab on the dashboard and click on it. This will take you to the section where you can initiate a new coverage authorization request. Select the type of coverage you need from the available options. Follow the prompts to fill in all necessary details about your project or business activity. Ensure to provide accurate information as it will be used to assess your coverage eligibility. Once you've completed the form, review your entries for any errors. If everything looks good, proceed to submit your coverage authorization request. After submission, you will receive a confirmation message indicating your request is under review. Check your email regularly for updates regarding your authorization status. If approved, follow any additional instructions sent to you to finalize your coverage. For documentation, return to your Thimble dashboard once your coverage is approved. Locate the Documents section where you can easily access your policy documents. Download or print the documents as needed for your records or for sharing with clients. If you face any issues, consult the Help Center or contact customer support through the website. With these steps, you should be able to successfully authorize with Thimble for your coverage needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.